Hi everyone, welcome to the Wolf College of Coffee vlog. My name's Adam, this is Anthony. Say hi, Anthony.
Hi, Anthony.
Today we're here to answer a question. Now, Anthony and I get asked the same questions all the time being educators here in the college. Things like, how long have you been in the industry?
How long does it take to achieve perfect latte art?
How do you stay so handsome?
And how to pour a completely contrasting swan.
Absolutely, and today we're answering that one, which is how do we pour a swan? Now, if you normally look at our Wolf College of Coffee vlogs and you've seen our latte art videos before, what you generally see on the ones here and here and here are that we show you one way to pour any pattern, be it a heart or a rosetta or a tulip or a swan. Now, Anthony and I pour in two completely different ways. Anthony pours the best rosettas I've ever seen.
And Adam here can stack tulips till the cows come home.
And so when we pour swans, we pour two completely different styles of swans. Now for you at home, you might find that you've always struggled with nailing that swan, and maybe today trying the other method may be the thing that'll solve that problem. But that being said, when it comes to any latte art, we always look for the same three things, which are
So position and symmetry in the cup, clear contrast between the milk and the coffee, and define sort of pattern of the actual and clarity of the pattern itself.
Absolutely. So let's get into the different styles and the patterns and we'll see which one works for you. We'll start with Anthony's.
Incorporate your milk into your coffee, so mix in, mix in, mix in, and build that crema till the cup's about 2/3 of the way full. Then drop in and continuously allow the milk to flow out, wiggling from side to side, creating the rosetta base for the pond. Up one side for the tail, cutting down the other side towards the middle of the cup for the tail and then the body, bringing back up, stopping, holding up the top for the heart, and then pulling through off skew just for the beak and the head.
Alright, so as a contrast, mine is a tulip stack style of pour. So as with Anthony's, we both mix in equally 3/4 of the way up the cup to create the contrast. From there, we stop the pour and drop in on the first stop. The second stop, creating the base as tulip stacks. We drop in a third time in order to create the tail, and we draw that out as a fern, then down one side. We stop again. This time we drop back in to create the neck and divot down to create the head. So, those are the two different ways you can pour a swan. Maybe if one's working for you, stick down that road. Maybe if it's not, try the other way.
Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And until next time, see you then.
See ya. Thank you for watching this week's Wolf College of Coffee vlog. If you'd like to watch another video, you can click one of them here. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe so you can always see the next video when it comes out next week. If you'd like to leave a comment or like below, we'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, grab a cup of coffee and come back soon. I can wait.